If you're like most people in the United States, you're likely wearing a piece of mass-produced aluminum and glass. It's functional, yes. It tells the time, it tracks your steps, and it pings you every time you get a spam email. But does it tell a story? Does it command a room? For years, the smartwatch industry has been a race to the bottom. More plastic, more sensors, more gadgetry. But something shifted in Switzerland. TAG Heuer, a brand built on the screaming engines of Formula One and the elegance of the Carrera, decided they were done playing by Silicon Valley's rules. They didn't want to build a better gadget. They wanted to build a connected instrument. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Enter the TAG Heuer Calibre E5. This isn't just an update to the E4, it is a total declaration of war against the disposable tech culture. Today, we are going deep into why the E5 is the first smartwatch that actually deserves to be called a timepiece. We are talking about a custom-built OS that ditches Google, a chassis that rivals the finest mechanical watches in the world, and a made-for-iPhone integration that is making Apple's own engineers take a second look. If you've ever felt that your Apple Watch Ultra was a bit too toy-like for a boardroom, pay close attention. The Calibre E5 is here to reclaim the luxury of the wrist. Let's address the most radical move first, the bespoke rebellion. For years, luxury smartwatches were held back by Wear OS. It was clunky, it was generic, and it felt like putting a Honda engine inside a Ferrari. With the Calibre E5, TAG Heuer has officially cut the cord. They've launched TAG Heuer OS. This is a proprietary, in-house interface built from the ground up. Why does this matter? Because every swipe, every animation, and every haptic vibration has been tuned by Swiss watchmakers, not software engineers in Mountain View. It is fluid. It is minimalist. And it is incredibly fast. When you rotate that crown, the interface doesn't just move. It glides with a mechanical weighted feel that mimics a physical movement. But it's the made-for-iPhone M5 certification that is the real shocker for the US market. Traditionally, if you weren't wearing an Apple Watch, your experience on an iPhone was handicapped. You missed notifications. You had syncing issues. The Calibre E5 is the first luxury watch to bridge that gap with official certification. It pairs faster, stays connected longer, and handles data with the same priority as an Apple-native device. It's the loophole for the person who loves the iPhone but hates the square aesthetic of the Apple Watch. Now, let's talk about the glassbox evolution. TAG Heuer has introduced a new 40mm size alongside the classic 45mm. But it's not just smaller, it's smarter. The 40mm model features a domed sapphire crystal that bleeds over the edges, inspired by the legendary glassbox Carreras. There is no visible bezel. The screen is the watch. In the 45mm version, they've gone the opposite direction. Aggressive, sandblasted grade, 2 titanium with a ceramic bezel that is virtually unscratchable. This is the stealth luxury that American collectors crave. It doesn't scream for attention, it waits to be noticed. Inside this titanium shell beats the Snapdragon 5100 Plus chipset. But TAG isn't just using the raw power for apps. They are using it for predictive wellness. The E5 features a new suite of sensors,